Hello and welcome to class. Take a seat. Come on, sit down. We have a few things to talk about today. So we recently got some exciting news from the latest APK file for Stadia 2.26. This new update suggests that parties are coming very soon for Stadia. At the moment, Stadia says, quote, parties coming to app soon, end quote. But this new update makes me think that this feature is just around the corner. The suggested code from the 2.26 update is as followed under microphone target. Quote, microphone target.assistant, microphone target.gamechat, microphone target.none, microphone target.partychat, end quote. Which means the microphone will be used for a Google Assistant within Stadia, Game Chat or Party Chat, depending on what one you choose to use at that time during playing Stadia. Which is awesome. Parties are a huge thing to add to Stadia and will make it a lot easier to talk with fellow players without having to use different voice apps or programs and whatnot. Also, this update gives us more detail for playing Stadia on your phone through mobile data. So if you try playing Stadia with mobile data, you will now get the message asking you to try opting into the mobile data experiment. And this is the code for that. Quote, this call to action is found on a button where the user does not have Wi-Fi, but they are able to opt in to playing games over their mobile network, 4G, LTE, etc. Find a way to play. There's a new feature available and you can opt into playing games using mobile data, end quote. And if you do choose to use mobile data, the app gives you a notification to let you know that using mobile data with Stadia will chew through your data with the following notification. Quote, disclaimer for the mobile data gameplay opt-in setting, which explains that the feature may use more cellular data. Enabling this feature may increase your mobile data usage up to 2.7 gigabytes per hour, end quote. Interesting enough is that 2.7 gigabytes an hour is low compared to what the low at the moment 720p stream setting chews through, and that's about 4.5 gigabytes an hour, which suggests possibly the stream could even be down to 480p on mobile data. But that's just speculation at the moment because we all know that 5G is slowly being introduced around the world, which means we could possibly one day stream 4K to mobile. I'd love to see how much data that would suck out of your mobile, but it's interesting. 480p could just be in the new minimum to choose from depending on how much you'd like to play and how much data you have to use. And if you are playing on mobile data and your device connects to Wi-Fi, your Stadia game will automatically disconnect right away to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Code is as followed. Quote, title of a dialog box indicating that the current game session has stopped because a Wi-Fi network is now available and the current game session was using the cellular data network. Reopen game to play using Wi-Fi. Body text of a dialog box indicating that the current game session has stopped because a Wi-Fi network is now available and the current game session was using the cellular data network. Your game stopped because a Wi-Fi network is now available. End quote. Now this could be annoying if you're playing then all of a sudden get disconnected from your game, especially playing an online game with a friend or something, but at the same time it'll be good because it'll save you using your mobile data when Wi-Fi is available. I guess if you don't really want that happening, you could just turn off the Wi-Fi on your device. Anyway, it's not the end of the world. Lastly, this update gives us a few more details on family sharing on Google Stadia. We now know that you'll eventually be able to only share Stadia games within your Google family group. So a Google family group can be up to 6 people. We learned that from the following code. Quote, body of the section that tells users why they should create a Google family group. Make a group with up to 5 other family members so you can share Stadia games. End quote. And here is also some new code preparing the menu for when family sharing is released. Quote, body for the tooltip that shows the user what to tap to choose which games to share in their game library. Use this icon to choose which games to share. Title for the dialog that shows up if the user presses back while they have game selected or hit the sharing icon again. The dialog has the user confirm if they want to save their changes or not. Save changes? Question mark. End quote. So that's kind of a basic code for the main sharing part and the message that will pop up if you click back or exit when you're trying to share games while you're midway through sharing the game menu. So that's just a kind of basic code for the main sharing part and the message that will pop up if you click back or exit when you're midway through the sharing game menu. So that's all for today. A few cool and interesting features coming soon. I'm excited for parties and family sharing to finally come to the platform. I know you guys have been requesting family sharing to be released for a while now, so hopefully it's not too far away. I'd say it's only around the corner, but then again, what do I know? Give me a comment below this video and let me know what other features you would like to see to come to Stadia, and give the video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it as it does help us within the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching and listening today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Stadia news and updates. And the Stadia School podcast will be coming very soon, where we discuss everything Google Stadia for the week. We talk about news, sales, new releases, rumors, and everything else Stadia. So subscribe and keep up to date. Also follow us on our social media. Instagram username is stadia.school, and on Facebook you can find us through facebook.com/stadia.school. See ya!